Hey guys, this is the Curt 13146. It's a trailer hitch. It's from Amazon. And I tell you what, I got this just today. I wanted to show you. I'm going to put it on my Honda Pilot. The box came pretty tore up. Look at this. Good grief. And the UPS driver was a little embarrassed, but actually there's nothing wrong with this hitch. I mean, there's no scratches, nothing like that. And I was just very impressed with that. One of the things that I noticed that you're not going to be able to tell is, look how thick this thing is. This right here, this seems like it's like 3/8 of an inch thick. It's very heavy. I remembered when I was looking on it online, I was like, man, I can do that by myself. You really can't. It really is heavy. And the first thing that we have to do, guys, is we have to get this box out of the way. We have to, right here in your Pilot, you're gonna have like a storage thing. And this is going to be in the side. This is the tool that you need, and it's right there. And you have to lower this right here. This is to lower. I don't know. There's the tire underneath, guys. And let me show you where, so you can just lower that all the way down. And right there are our 3 holes. If you can see them here, over here, and there. And it's a little tight to get that up in there, but you got one here, here, and here. And I don't even know why they have you honestly lower the tire all the way. I don't think it's actually necessary. So here, guys, we're just holding this up with 2 people, and it's heavy. We're just gonna put 1 screw in it at first, and then we're gonna just tighten those down so it's easier to maneuver. So guys, I got 2 screws on this side, 3 on that, and I'm just loosely getting them up there. And I'm not kidding around when I say this thing is heavy. It really, really is heavy. And so you gotta have to take your time. You will need help. It's 2 people. There's no way to do it with 1 person. But I just wanted to tell you that before I put my 3rd screw in and then start tightening these down. All right, guys, it is up. And I'm gonna shoot straight with you. Because of how awkward it is, I didn't lift the car at all, or the Pilot. It's difficult. You actually, I can't stress it enough, have to have 2 people that hold this until you get 1 bolt in there. And the bolts don't go in easily. On one side they did. On this side, where the muffler is, it was more difficult, but this is the clearance. This shows you the clearance right there. There's plenty of clearance. I'm getting out from underneath it. And again, guys, I paid 1/3 of what they were wanting at Honda, and they wanted to charge me another $150 to put it on. And all I have to do is crank up this tire, and I'm good to go. Guys, that's what it looks like. It is flush again with the bottom of the bumper. And I like it, you know. And again, this is a 2020 Honda Pilot. Difficulty 5 out of 10. Time about 25 minutes, and that's because one side, again, we couldn't get the screws in. We couldn't even get the starter screw in. And if one person's holding it, it's real difficult. If you're having problems there, just after you're done, you just kind of twist up the tire, and then you're good to go. Hope this helped you and blessed you. Peace. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it.